Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. What's up, y'all? How is everyone doing? It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay, and in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the sneaker releases for this month, August of 2022. Now, if you've seen the sneaker release videos I've had in the past, we're gonna switch it up on this one. I created a tier list. Now, keep in mind, this is my first time ever making a tier list. So honestly, I'm just winging it. Now, when I was making this tier list, I didn't include every single shoe that's releasing this month. I mean, honestly, there's too many shoes and there's a lot of them that are just like, So I figured, you know what, let me just pick some of the notable ones, some of the ones that I might be interested in, or some of them that you guys might be interested in. So let's go ahead and check them out. And if I'm missing anything, you can always drop a comment down below, or if you think I placed something in the wrong order, you can also let me know in the comment section down below. I find it kind of crazy that we're almost done with this year. Like, it's August, guys. Where did the time go, bro? Where did the time go? 2022 has been going super fast, and usually the last 2-3 months of the year, it goes by in a split second. So it's honestly insane, man. I don't know where the time has been going. I don't know if you guys feel that way, but if you do, let me know. Okay, so this is the tier list. How it works is basically the shoes that I picked are all at the bottom, and they're in different categories or different tiers. So the top one, Take My Money, that's like instant cop, you know, something that you've been looking for, something that you really like. The one underneath it is resell. This one is a sneaker that you might be interested in purchasing just to flip for cash. You're not really too interested in it, but if you can make money on it, you'll make money on it. Mid is just like, it's mid, bro. It's mid. And hard pass is like, bro, you would not be seen wearing those. All right, so that's like the absolute rock bottom. I don't know why it created a little category down here called D. Maybe I should clear this row here. Okay, that's so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and just roll with some Yeezys because Yeezy Day was yesterday and today, and by the time that you guys see this video, I'm pretty sure Yeezy Day will be over. So let's go ahead and start off with the Yeezys. There's a lot of Yeezys that released. Again, I only picked a certain amount of shoes. One of the first ones I picked out of the mix were the red stripes. So for me, shoot, red stripes, I don't even know if they're reselling like that, but I might have to put them in the resell. Let me see real quick though. Okay, so these are selling for about 320 bucks right now on StockX, and the retail price is about 220 bucks. So after tax, you're probably taking home about $75-80, which isn't bad. So I'm gonna throw these in the resell category or the resell tier for this one. Next up, we got some turtle doves, and I wasn't even really paying attention to Yeezy Day like that, but just for the nostalgia, just to bring us back to that like 2016 sneaker YouTube era, going to LA, hitting all the shoe stores, it was a certain vibe. Just to kind of get that feeling back, I think I might just have to go to Take My Money on these ones. Let me make it clear though, Take My Money for retail, but I'm not paying resale on these right now. Turtle doves are now reselling for 590 bucks. So let's just say 600 bucks, and retail price is $230. So no way in hell am I paying 500-600 bucks for a pair of turtle doves. Back in the day though, I made some financial mistakes. I wonder if they're making it a little bit different, because I know this model for sure had paint problems on the outsole. Yo, real quick disclaimer, I'm editing this video right now, and I just realized that website that I was using, it posted a lot of Yeezys that didn't release for Yeezy Day. So there's gonna be some fun ones in here. I'm just gonna leave them in there. I was gonna edit it out originally, but I'm just gonna leave it in there. So keep in mind, like all the Calabasas, the 750s, and some other ones, a lot of the Yeezy ones, they didn't make it to Yeezy Day. Hey, it is what it is. I just want to make a disclaimer, let you guys know. Okay, next up, we got some Beluga V2s. Honestly, I don't think that these ones are reselling. Yo, what? Beluga V2s? Last sale for Beluga V2s was $600. Am I tripping? Since when, bro? I'm honestly shocked. I was gonna put that in the mid. Bro, I'm making money on these. Resale, just straight resale on those. And now we're getting into the 750s. Now the 750s, I personally have never really liked this shoe. Like, I've wore it maybe one time, and the way that I got it was very interesting. It was just winning it through a Keymaster. I won 2 pairs. I got the triple black ones, which are these right here. So I might just throw these in the resale because I'm not really into wearing them like that. I think they were the chocolate ones, or maybe it was this one right here. Or shoot, I don't even remember. Maybe these. Both of those, I won in a Keymaster. So I essentially got it for like 5 to 10 bucks or however much money I put into the machine. So I got those for a really good price. Ended up selling them though. I'm just gonna go for the resale. It's not something that I would wear now. It's just a weird looking shoe. Am I tripping, bro? Let's keep this thing going over here. Let's talk about the Calabasas. So for the Calabasas, I gotta say, man, the leather quality on this white pair right here, this white pair is really good. If I remember correctly, they were going for a decent amount too, and then there was a time where they just dropped in price. They were like 100 bucks. Super easy and super wearable. So to me, I don't see like a crazy shock value in it. Like I don't feel like an urge to buy it, but I also don't hate them. So I'm just gonna go with mid on these, and I'm probably gonna go with mid on, maybe mid on the gray ones. The black ones, they give me like dishwasher vibes. It's kind of hard to explain it, but I feel like there's only certain silhouettes that could pull off a triple black colorway. I don't know if you guys like it, you know, do your thing, but not really my cup of tea on that one. Okay, we're gonna bring in the Wave Runners. And I've been really liking this shoe lately, and it's just take my money for retail. I'm not paying resale for these, but for retail, I am down. The Wave Runners, I've had 2 or 3 pairs, man, and every single time that I've had it, I never really had a chance to enjoy it. I just ended up selling it. I don't know why, but I'm really liking this pair right now, and I think it would be really nice for fall or even like the winter season with just some sweatpants, and you're just cooling, right? You're just comfortable. They look good. I'm gonna go for these Yeezy slides right here. I forget the name of these, maybe the Pure, maybe, yeah, I wanna say these are the Pure. But a lot of the Yeezy slides have been going down in price, which is great because a lot of you guys can get it for a super steal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in take my money, because I love the Yeezy slides. I think they're super comfortable, and at the price point that they're at right now, it's almost like, it's a no-brainer, bro. It's a no-brainer. So they're selling for like 110 bucks, 120 bucks. Super insane. I remember people paying 200 to 300 bucks for them back in the day. Now, times have changed. I'm gonna mix it up and just go into some Nike Dunks right now. These are the Nike Dunk Low Graffitis. I feel like at this point, we've seen so many dunk colorways that every time that I see one drop, I'm just like, like it's just nothing special. It's nothing crazy. These Dunk Low Graffitis, they're gonna retail for $110. I don't think that they're gonna resell, so I can't throw up here. I don't really like them, so I'm not gonna take my money. I think these are mid. I would wear them if somebody gave it to me for free, but I also wouldn't spend my money on them. Next up, we got these Air Jordan 5s. These are the white and Concord colorway, I believe, and I'm just gonna throw these in the hard pass. One is because I don't like primarily white sneakers, and especially when they're Air Jordan 5s. It just looks super clunky to me. I just feel like it just doesn't fit well whenever I wear it. So I don't know, like I prefer the 3s for sure over the 5s, but I'm gonna have to throw the 5s down below in the hard pass. I don't think I could see myself wearing those. I do see myself wearing these 3s though, but I also don't see myself spending money on these. So if it was like, you know, Jordan Brand, they want to send me some 3s, that's cool. I'll wear these, but I'm not gonna spend money on them. So these are gonna go as mid. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shoes left. 9 shoes left. Let's do these pennies. These are releasing on the 11th of August. These pennies are cool. They kind of remind me of high school a bit. For the nostalgia of high school is cool, but getting into the sneakers, I never really wore pennies like that. So I think I'm just gonna throw these in the mid. The mid is cool. Down here we have a pair of Jordan 1 lows. They kind of look like some Shadow 1 lows a little bit, or some Baron lows. But Jordan 1 lows have been somewhat profitable. It really just depends on the colorway. So I'm just gonna throw these in the resale just because it's a simple colorway to wear. As far as the Jordan 1 highs go, I'm not a big fan of this colorway. Again, I don't really like primarily white sneakers, and then it's just a little too neutral for me. So I'm gonna throw those in the hard pass. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna throw these in the hard pass too. These are just, I don't know what they're doing here, but this is a women's colorway of an Air Jordan 4. It reminds me of the Skunks a bit, but I'm not feeling that one. Let's see, let's just knock the last Jordan out of here. Definitely not reselling. They're just I'm in between. I'm in between. Like I might be able to rock these, but if they were a gift, I would rock them. Now we got the trifecta right here. We got Oxford tans. I think I also want a pair of these from a Keymaster, and I think I wore them once because they look kind of goofy on me. So for these, hard pass. Actually, No, we need some paper. We're gonna resell those. Now for the moon rocks are pretty cool. The moon rocks are cool. Pirate blacks, I got some decent wear, and I might just have to throw the pirate blacks up here and take my money because it kind of reminds me of this turtle dove era right here, like that 2016 sweet spot, 2016, 2017. It was just a good vibe. The moon rocks though, they're cool. I don't see me wearing them as much as the turtle doves and the pirate blacks, so I'm gonna move this to the resale. And then for the last one, this just reminds me of some Whopper Jr. wrapping or some sort of like Burger King. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm gonna take the frozen yellows and put them in the hard pass. All right, y'all, that is going to be my sneaker tier list for August of 2022. If you guys disagree with any of my placements, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if I failed to mention any sneaker releases that are actually fire this month, let me know down below as well. The reason I do these videos is because I tend to miss a lot of the sneaker releases because I'm just usually working or never really have a chance to look through the sneaker release dates. But now that I'm doing it for this video series, I'm at least showing you guys what to expect for the month. So I think that's pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.